Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Yo man, the FL Studio Mobile new update is crazy, and we have new FX models, FX plugins that we use in to make beats like the real FL Studio, like FL Studio. So like the FL Studio Mobile, ever since it released a new update, I've never stopped making beats. Like I love the FX tape stop. Like man, the FX tape stop is more like a half half what is on FS Studio more on FS Studio 21 you will find it half time. Yeah, half time, so it's more like half time, but if you manipulate it and know how to use it. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to use the FX tape stop to your advantage when you're making beats in FL Studio Mobile. Yeah man, let's get it man. I hope you enjoy this video and watch more of my tutorials man. Yeah, thank you for watching. So yeah man, before I can start recording and show you how to use the FX tape stop, make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment and tell me what you think about this beat. So the FX tape stop is the best new update, the new FX that I love about this new FL Studio Mobile update 4.5.3, and now we're on 4.5.4. I just checked. So we have the start time and the stop time, and the warp. The warp, it manipulates like, you know, like the warp is kind of like a distortion vibe where you like change the sound in a different way. But the start time is when the beat will start. So we have 33 meter per second there, and then on the stop time we have 1 second. So yeah, it's very important to sync your FX tape stop when you're recording, so that you can get the best effect. Like, let me show you how to record.